In a land where the sun shone bright and the flowers bloomed, there lived a cockatiel named Melody. She was known throughout the land for her beautiful, melodious songs that could bring joy to any heart. One day, Melody found a broken reed near her nest. Along with her songs, the reed created a rhythm that added charm to her melodies. But as the days passed, the reeds started to wear out, and Melody's songs started to lose their rhythm. Melody was distressed. She tried to find a new reed, but none seemed as perfect as the one she had lost. She sang without the rhythm, but it wasn't the same. Her songs lacked the charm they once had. One day, a wise old owl named Winson heard Melody's songs. He noticed the lack of rhythm and approached Melody. "My dear Melody," he said, "your songs are still beautiful, but perhaps it's time to learn a new melody." Melody was surprised. "But Winson, my songs have always been the same." "I can't create a new melody," she replied. Winson smiled. "Everything changes, dear Melody. The flowers bloom and wither, the winds blow, and the rivers flow. Change is a part of life. And so, change in your music can bring new beauty," he explained. Melody thought about Winson's words. She realized that she had grown too attached to her old rhythm, and it was time for change. She started to experiment with new melodies, mixing her old songs with new ones. Slowly, Melody found a new rhythm. Her songs were still beautiful, but they had a new charm, a new life. The people of the land were delighted, and they listened to Melody's new songs with even more joy than before. And so, Melody learned that change can bring new beauty. She learned to let go of her attachment to the old and embrace the new. And in doing so, she found a new rhythm in her songs, a rhythm that was as beautiful as the old. And the moral of this tale is, embrace change, for it brings new opportunities and beauty. Let go of your attachment to the old, and you may find a new rhythm in life.